Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you joining us today. It's truly our pleasure to host you on today's webinar organized by Aqua Energy Expo in collaboration with the Smart Sustainability for Water and Energy. In today's rapidly evolving water and wastewater sector, the challenge is no longer only about treatment efficiency, but also about flexibility, speed of implementation, and sustainability. This is where a new generation of solutions comes into play. Welcome to our webinar, The Next Generation of Advanced Packaged Water and Wastewater Treatment Units. My name is Heidi Walid, Business Development Manager at Smart Sustainability Company, and I'll be your host for today's session. It's my honor to introduce our distinguished speakers from the Turkish-German brand ARTAŞ company, Mr. Özgür Kavalcı, Sales Manager, and Mr. Emrah Şamlıoğlu, Technical Manager. We are truly honored to have you with us today and sincerely appreciate your time and expertise. This webinar marks the fourth session in our ongoing webinar series, developed through the strategic collaboration between Aqua Energy Expo and Smart Sustainability for Water and Energy, where we continuously explore practical and innovative solutions in the water and wastewater sector. Today's session will focus on how packaged units are transforming the equation, offering compact, modular, and high-performance solutions for both municipal and industrial applications. Dear attendees, just a quick note. To receive your certificate of attendance, please make sure to fill in the form that will be shared in the meeting chat. Kindly note that this form is different from the registration form you used before the webinar. مساء الخير على حضراتكم جميعا وأهلا وسهلا بيكم في ويبينار النهاردة اللي بتنظمه منصة أكوا إنرجي بالتعاون مع شركة الاستدامة الذكية للمياه والطاقة. في الفترة الحالية قطاع المياه والصرف الصحي بيشهد تطور كبير، والتحدي ما بقاش بس في كفاءة المعالجة لكن كمان بقى في المرونة، سرعة التنفيذ والاستدامة، ومن هنا بيظهر جيل جديد من الحلول. أهلا بيكم في ويبينار الجيل الجديد من الوحدات المدمجة Packaged Units لمعالجة المياه والصرف الصحي والصناعي. أنا مهندسة هايدي وليد، Business Development Manager في شركة Smart Sustainability، وهكون معاكم الهوست الويبينار النهاردة. ويشرفنا أن يكون معانا المتحدثين من شركة أرتش العلامة التركية الألمانية، مستر أوزجور كافالجي Sales Manager، مستر إمرا شامليوغلو Technical Manager. الويبينار ده هو الرابع ضمن سلسلة الويبينارات اللي بنقدمها في إطار التعاون بين أكوا إنرجي إكسبو وسمارت سستينابيلتي، واللي بنركز فيها على تقديم حلول عملية وتكنولوجيا حديثة في مجال المياه والصرف الصحي. جلسة النهاردة هتركز على إزاي الوحدات المدمجة بتغير شكل المعادلة من خلال حلول مدمجة مرنة وعالية الكفاءة سواء في التطبيقات البلدية أو الصناعية. تنويه مهم: للحصول على شهادة الحضور لازم يتم ملء الفورم اللي هيتبعت في شات الميتنج أثناء الويبينار، برجاء ملاحظة أن الفورم ده مختلف عن الفورم اللي تم التسجيل فيه قبل الويبينار. And to start today's session, I'd like to invite Mr. Özgür to begin with an overview of ARTAŞ company and introduce the concept of packaged treatment systems. Mr. Özgür, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Ms. Walid.
You're welcome.
Hello, everyone. Let me quickly share my screen. Hello again, welcome to our webinar. First of all, thank you for joining us today. My name is Özgür Kavalcı. I am Sales Manager at ARTAŞ, and today I will be guiding you through the presentation. Originally, my colleague Samuel Bauer was supposed to lead this session, but due to health reasons, he could not join us today. So I will take over the presentation and continue on behalf of our team. In today's session, I will first briefly introduce our company, and then we will move into the treatment solutions as well as the package treatment solutions, which is the main topic of this webinar. The contents, let me quickly walk you through the structure of today's presentation. First, I will introduce ARTAŞ, who we are and what we do. Then we will cover our capabilities, fields of activity, and services. After that, I will give you a quick overview of the solutions, including mobile solutions. And in this second part and the main part of the webinar, we will go deeper into the package treatment technologies. ARTAŞ is a well-established engineering company specialized in environmental solutions, particularly in water and wastewater treatment. We have been active in this field for decades, delivering reliable and efficient solutions to both industrial and municipal clients. Like I mentioned, ARTAŞ was established in 1982, which means we have more than 40 years of experience. We have over 120 employees, including multidisciplinary engineering team of around 50 engineers, covering environmental, chemical, mechanical, electrical, and civil engineering disciplines. Our headquarters is located in Istanbul. In addition, we have offices in Finland and Germany, which support our operation in Europe. We also operate a manufacturing workshop in Kocaeli and a service station in Istanbul. This integrated structure allows us to manage engineering, manufacturing, and project execution efficiently within the same organization. ARTAŞ is a group of companies. ARTAŞ, we are active in turnkey contracting in environmental and biogas technologies. That is ARTAŞ. And ARTAŞ Energy is our company, our manufacturing company. They take part in the manufacturing of the mechanical equipment which are necessary to operate water treatment plants, such as scrapers, bridges, and all the other mechanical equipment. We have a company in Finland, and also we have a company in Germany, which is called ARTAŞ Umwelt. This structure strengthens both our technical capability and our international presence. I would like to tell you about our awards and certificates briefly also. Over the years, our performance has been recognized with several awards. We were awarded with Best SME by the Istanbul Chamber of Commerce. We also received Biomet's the Energy Technology Development Award. In addition, we were listed among the fastest growing companies in Turkey. These recognitions reflect our commitment to innovation, quality, and sustainable growth. These are again some of the certificates we operate, all of the standard ISO certificates, also CA certificates. These ensure that all of our systems are designed and delivered according to the international quality and safety requirements. Our engineering tools, from an engineering perspective, we use advanced design tools such as SolidWorks and Autodesk Plan Design Suite. These tools enable us to develop, optimize detailed and reliable plant designs tailored to each project. They are also quite important to visualize things. Our global presence, these are some of the esteemed, globally renowned companies that we worked with in the past, and we are still currently working with. We are positioned as a global supplier. We are included in the vendor list of major international companies, such as Siemens, including offshore projects. We have supplied systems for international clients and have been selected in competitive global tenders. For example, we are among the limited number of suppliers working directly with OMV. This demonstrates our capability to meet strict international standards and project requirements. You can say we are quite good at solving difficult paperwork and specifications. Our design capacity. So now I would like to highlight one of our key strengths, our design and execution capacity. At ARTAŞ, we design and deliver treatment plants across a very wide capacity range. This includes small-scale systems as well as large industrial and municipal facilities. Each project has different requirements. Therefore, we do not follow a standard design approach. Instead, we analyze the water characteristics and operational requirements. Based on the parameters, we design the most suitable and efficient solution. This flexibility allows us to optimize both capital investment and operational cost, especially in today's market, where efficiency and sustainability are key drivers. This approach creates significant value for our clients. These are some of the visuals of the plants that we built during the past. It is also important to visualize the material, and this is generally how we work. Our fields of activity, ARTAŞ operates across the full spectrum of environmental engineering. Our activities include water treatment, wastewater treatment, air treatment, and energy recovery and bioenergy. Unlike companies that focus on a single area, we cover the entire treatment chain. This allows us to provide integrated solutions rather than isolated systems. Water treatment, to tell you basically, in water treatment, we cover all conventional processes. This includes pre-treatment technologies like iron and manganese removal, coagulation, and flocculation. We apply both classic filtration methods and membrane technologies, depending on the water quality. Our aim is to ensure stable and reliable and efficient water treatment performance. There are also advanced water treatment steps like softening, ion exchangers, nanofiltration, reverse osmosis, and electrodeionization. We also design ultra-pure water systems for industries with very strict water qualities, such as power plants. These include power plants, chemical industries, and high-tech manufacturing facilities. We have many power plant references, which I will show you in detail during this presentation. We are also active in the wastewater treatment. Wastewater treatment is one of our core expertise areas. We design complete systems, starting from physical and chemical treatment stages. These include simple steps like screening, oil separation, dust limits, neutralization, coagulation, flocculation. For industrial wastewater, with high pollution loads, chemical treatment plays a critical role in achieving target discharge limits. Biological treatment. In the biological stage, we provide aerobic treatment systems, anaerobic treatment systems, membrane bioreactor systems. In addition, sludge management is an essential part of the treatment process. We offer complete sludge handling solutions, including thickening, dewatering, drying, and digestion. Because without proper sludge management, the treatment process cannot be considered complete. Air treatment, flue gas treatment. We also design and supply air treatment systems. This includes flue gas treatment and desulfurization systems for industrial applications. Also bioenergy. In addition, we are active in the bioenergy and waste to energy systems. We design biogas plants that convert organic waste to energy. This contributes to both environmental protection and energy recovery. Our scope of services. At ARTAŞ, we provide complete turnkey solutions. Our scope includes engineering, manufacturing, construction, installation, commissioning, operation, maintenance, after-sales services. This is an actual facility, a real reference. This is a textile reference, which was built by us for the company called Söktaş. It is still active. Its capacity is 7,000 cubic meters per day. Our criteria for plant design, appropriate technology, high performance, and efficiency, combination of all of that. Like I mentioned, we have many references. We export to CIS countries, Russia, Germany, Italy, Middle East region, and also, of course, in Turkey. One of our customers, many of our customers, but we cannot put all of them in here, so it will give you an idea. So we have the water. This section is our water references. These are industrial water treatment plants. For example, this Altakania Al Nusraya is in Iraq. This is a containerized unit, a system, modular system. We shipped the containers very recently, actually. Its capacity is 36 cubic meter per hour. I will show you a video of this facility as well. These are some of the pictures. And since we are on this topic, I can even show you the video of this.
Of 3 containers. The plant has a production capacity of 2 times 18 cubic meters per hour, totaling 36 cubic meters per hour of ultra-pure water. The produced ultra-pure water is transferred to the main pure water storage tank within the customer's existing facility, and from there, supplied for use in the power plant. First, the customer's request is received, and based on raw water analyses and related data, the plant design phase begins. In other words, what does the customer require and what is the incoming raw water? Accordingly, the design work begins. The entire process design is carried out fully in-house. Based on this design, all manufacturing requirements are defined, including equipment and pump designs. Once all equipment designs are completed and flow diagrams are prepared, the project is transferred into detailed manufacturing documentation. All manufacturing engineering is carried out entirely in 3D. After all 3D drawings are completed, they are converted into individual fabrication drawings, and the production phase begins directly in the workshop and on site. During the production phase, all inspections are carried out in line with the approved design, including quality controls and leak tests. After the mechanical completion, automation and SCADA works are finalized by our automation engineers, bringing the plant to full operational readiness. All requirements defined in the initial design are verified during final quality control, and the plant is delivered to the customer. Choosing a mobile solution offers significant advantages. All production can be completed in the workshop. The objective is to minimize on-site production and field activities. For example, once a unit is completed and delivered to the site, installation, reassembly, and commissioning are completed within a very short time. This enables rapid commissioning and allows urgent ultra-pure water requirements to be met quickly. In addition to power plants, it can also be used in sectors such as mining, food processing, and cement industries. We have numerous references and completed installations across these sectors.
I hope you liked it. So the package containerized units doesn't have to be standardized all the time. Sometimes, depending on the capacity and the need, we can actually customize the unit, increase its capacity, change the systems within the containers, and then actually put a couple of the containers together and increase the capacity, maybe reach the desired capacity. And like it mentioned during the video, it will significantly reduce the commissioning time and installation time. It is highly advantageous. It is preferred by the companies like Siemens. We have built a similar facility for Siemens as well. Later, I will also show that video to you. So it is an option, and it is an advantageous option. This is Siemens Energy Karmalo power plant. Again, a demi power plant, 36 cubic meters per hour. It is designed 18 by 2. These systems are usually designed with a redundancy because power plants very strict on redundant systems. they usually have one spare. So these are the pictures of the Siemens Karmala plant. As you can see, similar what we did for ARTAŞ project, Siemens Karmala project. I would like to show this presentation video to you, which the facility is explained by our water processes group manager, Ms. Ayla Civa.
Arkamda gördüğünüz tesis konteyner tip bir tesis ve Almanya'da yerleşik ve enerji santralleri proje yapan bir müşterimize özel projelendirilmiş bir tesis ve yüksek ultra saf su kalitesinde su üretimi sağlayacak tesisimiz. Bu tür tesisler enerji santrallerinde buhar üretiminde kullanılan buhar kazanlarına yaklaşık 0.1 mikrosiemens'ten küçük iletkenlikte saf su üretimi için amacıyla kullanılıyor. Tesisimiz %100 yedekli olup kesintisiz su üretimini sağlamak üzere projelendirilmiş ve kapasitesi de 2x18 metreküp saat. Projeyi özel kılan normalde bu kapasitedeki tesisler bina içerisinde büyük alanlara ihtiyaç duyuyor. Biz tesisimizi bu kapasitedeki tesisimi 4 konteynere sığdırdık ve kompakt yapıda bir saf su üretim tesisi haline getirdik. Bunun için de yapım aşamasından önce 3 boyutlu detay mühendislik çalışmaları yaptık. Bu sayede de maksimum verim ve minimum alan hedefimize ulaşmış olduk. Konteyner tesis olduğu için gördüğünüz gibi üniteler, ekipmanlarımız konteynerin içinde monteli vaziyette. Bu üniteler sahaya gittiği zaman tıpkı bir Lego gibi birleştirilecek ve bu sayede saha işlerimiz minimize edilmiş olacak. Bu da tabii ki son kullanıcıya ekonomik bir avantaj sağlıyor. Aynı zamanda da mobil bir ünite olduğu için farklı zamanlarda bir yerden başka bir yere transfer edilmesi ihtiyacı ortaya çıkarsa bu durumda da inşaat maliyeti olmayacağı için yine ekonomik bir avantaj sağlayacak. Biz bu tür konteyner tesislerimizi sahaya sevk etmeden önce uluslararası standartlardaki tüm testlerimizi yapıp kalite belgelerimizi hazırlayıp bu şekilde sahaya sevk ediyoruz. Ve bu projede de nihayetinde başarılı bir şekilde sonuçlandırdığımız için tüm ekibimiz olarak başarılı ve mutluyuz.
I think we can continue. So that was another facility, a containerized solution for energy plant, power plant. Another demineralization and condensate polishing plant, which was built for Enka, globally renowned construction company located in Turkey. Again, some of the picture of the skids. I mean, we have delivered numerous industrial projects, so this section is a bit long. I will try to keep it as short as possible. This is another reference built for Enka. Again, a combined cycle block thermal power plant. Again, a demi and a condensate polishing unit. Again, this one is a combination of desalination and demineralization. It was built for Enerjisa Siemens. We are also active in the desalination part. So it is possible to get the seawater and turn it into a potable water in the Middle East region. You can also turn it into ultra pure water and use in the power plants. Again, some of the skits inside the facility. We have built another desalination plant for OMV Samsung. Again, the picture of the inside of the facility. Another demo plant for power plant, AGA Denizli. It is located in Turkey. Another demo plant located in Samsun. Etimaden Kırka, this is one of the world's biggest boron manufacturers. Another demo plant, its capacity is 160 cubic meter per hour. This facility uses a different technology compared to the previous ones. The previous ones use reverse osmosis with combination of electronic deionization. This one is using ion exchanger with mixed bed technology. Depending on your need and your capacity, our team may suggest you to pick one of those. They both to have an advantage situation and disadvantage situation, depending on the capacity. It's explained during the design process to you by our team. So these are our municipal wastewater references. This is in İzmir, Tire. It is a municipality wastewater treatment plant. 60,000 population equivalent, an EPC project completed by us. These references will show you, in addition to industrial projects, we have strong experience in municipal wastewater treatment as well. This one is Söke Söktaş. I previously mentioned this one for a textile industry. Other than textile sector, we as ARTAŞ, we have built most of the Turkish sugar factories. This one is Kayseri Sugar. The sugar factories, by their nature, have very highly contaminated waters, high COD numbers. So their population equivalent are quite high. This is more than 1 million population equivalent. As you can see, some of the pictures from the construction phase. I visited this facility a couple of months ago, and it's still in tip-top condition. And another sugar factory in Eskişehir. This one is in Burdur, another sugar factory. This one is Malatya wastewater treatment plant, again for a sugar company. And bioenergy field. So in the field of bioenergy, we have implemented biogas plants using different types of organic waste. These systems convert waste into energy, contributing sustainability and resource recovery. This facility is in Konya. It's Seydi potato factory. Like I mentioned, we are also in this air cleaning desulfurization systems. They are usually used also with the sugar factories because you need to purify the biogas. So biological desulfurization needed if you wanna you turn the biogas into energy. Again, a couple of the pictures taken from our sugar factories and this scrubbers, air scrubbers. SCADA systems and control rooms. So this was the first section. I just wanted to tell you about our company, what we do and how we do it, because we are not only a package treatment company. I wanted to highlight that in the first section of the webinar. Now we can switch to the main topic, which are the package treatment units. So in this second part of the webinar, I will present our packaged and modular treatment solutions. Before going to these products, again, I would like to position the topic correctly. We are not only a package unit supplier. Package systems are one service line within our broader environmental engineering capability, which also includes full turnkey plants and customized process design. In this section, I will first position how package solutions fit into our business, and then through the main product families one by one. The goal is not to only explain what each unit does, but also to show where each solution fits in a real project. So again, before going into the individual details, I will mention this section, which is about our company, in the last presentation. So I will not go into details. This slide is important to correct a common perception. Some companies are known only for packaged wastewater units or water treatment units, but we operate in a much broader scope. Like I mentioned in the previous presentation, we cover drinking water treatment, desalination, wastewater treatment, water reuse systems, ultra pure water systems, biogas and waste to energy systems, and gas treatment systems. So package solutions are not a limited catalog. They are one implementation method within a wide engineering portfolio. Depending on the project, we may deliver a single unit. We can deliver a containerized system or a modular combination of containerized systems. And then it turns into a turnkey plant. So a containerized solution can be a standard solution, but depending on your need, depending on the project, we can also customize this. So not everything is set in stone. It can be customized, it can be tweaked. Sometimes the process is changed, sometimes the capacities are increased. Depends on your need and what the situation requires. So here also I want to clarify, explain how to position the package solutions. We use package and modular systems where they create value. For example, when fast installation is required, when the civil works must be minimized, when site conditions are limited, or when flexibility is needed. We work across a spectrum, standard packages, containerized units, modular trains, integrated systems, and turnkey plants. It is a delivery strategy we apply where it makes technical and commercial sense. Again, our portfolio logic shows the real strength of our portfolio. Our product families are not isolated units. They are designed and they also work in a combination into a complete treatment systems. For example, the units names and what they are, we will go into detail, but to tell you briefly, ARPAC is a domestic wastewater package unit. RMBR is biological membrane polishing. ARUF is ultrafiltration. ARTO is reverse osmosis. KIMPAC is physicochemical treatment. ARMO is a state-of-the-art machine. It is a mobile ultra-pure water facility, which we will discuss in detail. ARMUT is the organic waste to energy unit. ARDES is waste gas scrubbing unit. Depending on the situation, if you wanna, let's say, reuse the water, a reuse system, you may put ARUF and ARTO in combination, or you can put RMBR and let's say ARTO in combination. You can put RMBR and ARMUT in combination and then actually create value from the sludge. So they can work as standalone units, but depending on the situation and your need, you can also put a couple of these in a combination, and that will create value for you. So the first package treatment unit is called ARPAC. Let's start with this, our package, domestic wastewater treatment solution. This system is designed for decentralized applications, where a full-scale plant is not practical. Typical applications include hotels, residential compounds, hospitals, construction sites, and remote settlements. The key idea here is simplicity and reliability. Instead of building a conventional treatment plant on site, we deliver a compact system that performs the same biological treatment functions. It is designed to handle fluctuations in wastewater flow and load. It requires low operator attention, and it can be installed quickly with minimal civil works. So ARPAC is not just a small unit. It is compact biological treatment plant engineered for practical use. This is sort of a one-page cheat sheet of ARPAC. You can see the different capacities from 100 person equivalent to 2,400, and also different sizes. This picture is from a real facility. We completed this in Azerbaijan. As you can see, a couple of ARPACs put in combination to increase the capacity. They also covered the units, the containers, with this lovely coating. From a technical perspective, ARPAC is based on a continuous activated sludge process. Inside the unit, we integrate aeration using the fine bubble diffusers, settling, and sludge digestion, all within a single compact structure. This is important because we are not separating functions into multiple tanks. We integrate them into one engineered system. Compared to simple SPR-based systems, this approach provides more stable operations, better process control, and higher robustness against the variations. So this is not just a compact tank. This is a fully engineered biological process. The second package unit, which is called KIMPAC, Chemical Wastewater Treatment Unit. This system is used where biological treatment alone is not sufficient, especially in industries, wastewater containing heavy metals, cyanide, emulsified oil, and complex chemical pollutants. Typical industries include electroplating, metal finishing, automotive, chemicals, and oil processing. The key challenge in these applications is control, because the chemical treatment is not forgiving. If dosing or reaction is not correct, the system fails. So what we offer here is not just equipment. We offer a controlled chemical treatment process in a compact format. This is again a single cheat sheet sort of. From a technical perspective, KIMPAC integrates neutralization, coagulation, flocculation, and solid liquid separation in one compact system. The design specifically targets the removal of chromium, cyanide, zinc, and emulsified oils. The system includes dosing systems, mixing control, reaction tanks, and separation units, all working together as a controlled process. This is critical because in chemical treatment, performance depends on reaction control, not just equipment. So KIMPAC should be seen as a precision treatment system. It's just not a compact unit. So the next one is called RMBR. Now we have come to one of our strongest solutions, our packaged MBR system. This system is used when high effluent quality is required. Water reuse is targeted, or footprint is limited. Unlike conventional systems, MBR combines biological treatment with membrane separation, This eliminates the need for a clarifier, also provides significantly higher water quality. So this is not only a treatment system, it is a wastewater upgrading solution, especially for reuse projects, compact installations, and high performance requirements. Again, you can see in this section the different size of RMBRs, reaching from 20 cubic meter per day to 160 cubic meter per day. Of course, to make the units standard solutions, we have to consider some values. So these are the influent values which are accepted. You can also design a tailor-made MBR for you based on your water characteristics, but these are the options available as standard units. So technical perspective, MBR works by retaining biomass using membranes. This allows higher MLSS concentration, longer sludge age, and the better biological performance. Typical treated water values, BOD below 5 milligram per liter, like COD below 25 milligram liter, ESS below 2 milligram liter, and turbidity below 0.2 NTU. This is very high quality effluent. Also, pathogen removal is significantly higher compared to the conventional systems. So this system is not only for discharge, it is suitable for reuse applications. And thanks to the membrane separation, footprint is significantly reduced. The next one is ARUF, ultrafiltration units. So this is used when process stability becomes critical. Usually they are put upstream right before the RO units to protect the membranes, especially when raw water quality fluctuates, consistent output is required. Also, the protection of RO is needed. UF acts as a physical barrier. It removes suspended solids, turbidity, and microorganisms. So instead of relying on conventional filtration, we create a reliable and stable barrier. From a technical standpoint, we have two ARUF models. This one is a smaller one. It is the standard disaster and emergency version. It produces up to 5 to 40 cubic meter per hour a day. It is rapid, safe, and reliable potable water production in disaster and emergency areas, especially when the water need is dire. In the recent years, unfortunately, we have experienced a very cataclysmic earthquake in the east region of Turkey. And in those times, these kind of machines can save lives by providing water. So this is the disaster and emergency version, and this is the standard ARUF unit. This is a reliable ultrafiltration solution for potable water production and industrial water reuse. As you can see from the picture, there is not a picture of a container here, because RO skids are designed based on the capacities and the water quality, and based on those values, the module areas may increase or decrease. So its capacity can be 200 cubic meter per day to almost 1500 cubic meter per day. That is why it is important to gather data and then design the RF units. So these are not as standard as one may think. These are a bit more tailor-made solutions. But again, it is a very, very reliable solution in the field of advanced treatment tools. Another one is called ARTO, which is reverse osmosis units. RO is used when dissolved salts need to be removed. Applications include desalination, demineralized water, high quality processed water. This is critical in industries such as power plants, food, and manufacturing. So ARTO is a core technology for water quality control. From a technical perspective, RO works by applying pressure through semi-permeable membranes. And the system includes pretreatment, high-pressure pumps, membrane modules, and cleaning systems. Recovery rates typically range between 55% to 75%, depending on the water quality. As you can see in here, that there are different sizes of RO, reaches between 120 to 1075. There are, of course, in the systems like cartridge filters and control panels, high pressure pumps. These are all included. And recovery rate, like I mentioned, changes between like 55 to 75. This is quite important because RO performance depends heavily on design. It needs to be engineered very in detail and very carefully. And finally, not the last topic, but one of our strongest solutions, ARMO, mobile ultra-pure water plant. I would like to highlight this one as one of our most strategic solutions. Like the title says, ultra-pure water system. And the keyword here is mobile. The system is containerized and fully transportable. This means no building required, fast deployment, flexible usage. This is especially valuable for power plant commissioning, temporary needs, remote projects, emergency situations. So it is not just a treatment system, it is a solution for time-critical operations. From a technical perspective, ARMO includes pretreatment, first stage RO, second stage RO, and electronic deionization. This combination allows production of ultra-pure water capacity range like this in here, because you don't have to use the entirety of the train. Sometimes your desired water quality is achieved after the first pass of RO, and then you can cut the line there because the system is modular. You can use the water directly from the first pass RO, and maybe your desired quality is achieved after the second pass. Then you use after the second pass RO. If you want to go the whole train to achieve the water quality you desired, and then the water goes through all of the train, and after electronic deionization, 18 cubic meter per hour. The system operates fully automatically, and the chemical consumption is minimized. The key advantages here: integration. All processes are combined in the single container. So the system is compact, efficient, and ready to operate. It comes with a 40-feet high cube, fully automatic with PLC and MHI control. This machine does not have to produce ultra-pure water, like I mentioned. It can produce also potable water. You use only the modules that you need, and you can easily achieve drinking water as well with this unit, as well as ultra-pure water if that's what you need, especially sometimes during the service times or like emergency situations for power plants. This is a highly popular device. So the next one is called ARMUD, like I mentioned before. This is our waste-to-energy solution. This system converts organic waste into biogas. So instead of treating waste as a problem, we convert it into a resource. Applications include hotels, caterings, farms, and food industry. This provides waste production, energy production, and fertilizer output. This is again like a single brochure page, a cheat sheet sort of. From a technical perspective, ARMUD is based on anaerobic digestion. The process includes waste preparation, hydrolysis, fermentation, and biogas production. The system can produce biogas with around 55% methane. Optional CHP systems can convert this into electricity and heat. So this is not a waste unit only. It can also produce energy for you. These values for the 40-foot high cube module, like you can see in here, it produces a considerable amount of energy. The one critical point here is our motor requires regular and continuous feeding of organic waste, especially during the first month or so, because it is critical for the reactor to reach saturation and start stable biogas production. So the continuous feed of the reactor is important here. So the next one is called ARTAŞ, our gas scrubbers and desulfurization units. I also briefly mentioned this during the previous presentation. Air systems for odor control and acidic gas removal and industrial emission management. Applicable in many industries such as chemicals, metals, processing plants. It can roughly handle 2,000 to 70,000 Newton meter cubic meter per hour with automatic control and project-specific chemistry. From a technical perspective, this is a scrubber system, like I mentioned. It includes gas-liquid contact, chemical dosing, and process control. Capacity can go up to like the 70,000, like I mentioned. The key point is customized because the gas compositions vary significantly. So each system is designed specifically for application. So I would like to tell you, I have mentioned many references, but I would like to again provide a few reference snapshots, especially this one. This one is a containerized modular solution, many container units put together to increase the capacity and provide the critical amount of water to 80,000 residents. This is a domestic wastewater turnkey plant built by us. This is an ultra pure water facility for a power plant. So as you can see, we have range. I would like to highlight this a bit more. This is Access to Clean Water project in South Sudan. We delivered a portable water treatment plant with a capacity of 12,000 cubic meters per day. System serves around 80,000 people. We also put these systems together quickly. All of them are manufactured in Turkey. So the containers, after their transfer to the Sudan, in the field commissioning time extremely shortened, and it provided, like I said, 12,000 cubic meters per water day. So we have completed containerized solutions with higher capacities and lower capacities, municipal wastewaters systems, turnkey projects, as well as highly complex advanced treatment solutions like ultra pure water plants, also ultra pure mobile solutions as well. So these examples show that the same company that provides package units also delivers complex large-scale projects. If I summarize everything in one sentence, ARTAŞ is an engineering company first. And package solutions are one way we deliver that engineering to the market. If a client needs a compact standalone unit or a modular system or a full turnkey plant, we have the capability to deliver all of them. Thank you for your attention. This brings me to the end of the presentation on our packaged and modular treatment solutions. I hope this session has given you a clear understanding of how our systems can be applied in real projects. Now I would like to hand over to my colleague, Mr. Emrah Şamlıoğlu, who will take us through the Q&A session and address your questions if you have any. Emrah is our technical director. He has been with the company more than 15 years. He is specialized in ultra pure water production, desalination process design, potable water process design, and reuse systems. So, Emrah, the floor is yours.
Hello everyone, my name is Emrah Şamlıoğlu. I'm an environmental engineer and I also proposal department manager of ARTAŞ company. I have been working on ARTAŞ since 2010, and if you have any technical question about the solutions and our systems, I will try to answer.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Özgür, for your presentation.
It was my pleasure.
And I can receive questions if they have.
Someone is asking, you have in Saudi Arabia?
No, we don't have any office in Saudi Arabia, but we can manufacture related solutions in Turkey or Germany, and we can transport to Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, okay.
We will join
someone
IPAT in Munich, and you can contact with Samuel Bauer. He is our sales business development manager. You can contact directly with them, with him.
What is the minimum flow rate per hour you manufacture?
Actually, as Mr. Özgür mentioned that we don't have any minimum and maximum capacities. We can manufacture according to raw water quality and capacity details and the process. We can design all of capacities, and we can submit a solution for the process. We have solution for recycling brine project. Yes, sometimes in our project we design recycling RO systems, and we can use in our projects.
Someone wanna please wanna open the mic or say his question via the mic. It's okay with you, or he should sit in the chat box?
It's okay for us.
Okay.
Yes, we have
Yeah.
many references in Iraq. You can see our first presentation details, and you will see our references in Iraq. Especially we have ultra pure water and wastewater treatment units in Iraq, Erbil.
Assalamu alaikum.
Aleyküm selam.
Thank you very much for this very good and useful presentation. You listen me, I can forward my question.
Yes.
Firstly, I am very surprised about this very good technology. I am proud of that Turkish companies has now has this abilities for this modern technology. And my question is about the ultra pure water.
Yes.
Do you have any strategies for using ultra pure fields, such hospitals, such any new field for ultra pure water, mainly about hospital for using in kidney dialysis, or for using sterilized hospital applications, or for lab water? Can your package system used in this application, hospital applications?
Actually, for the hospitals, the capacity is very low. The requested capacity for the hospitals as ultra pure water. Therefore, our minimum capacity range is 5 or 10 cubic meter per hour. We generally work for industrial systems.
I know it is low capacity, but many hospitals, many customers.
Maybe we can evaluate, but normally we are working with minimum capacity as a 5 cubic meter per hour.
Generally, as you are a professional in ultra pure water, do you have any strategy, or ARTAŞ has any technology for removing many specified traces, or blood traces, and very small traces for the pure water? For the normal water, if I want to have zero TDS and a highly removal of bacteria and toxins from the water, can you advise us?
Yes, there are some technical solutions for removal bacteria and viruses, and it depends according to raw water quality actually. And when you share details by email, we can evaluate all systems.
Okay, that's good. You will supply us your email?
I wrote our emails on a chat box.
Okay, finally, your capacities again, please. You said your capacities.
For the
Again?
minimum capacities, you can consider 5 cubic meter per hour, 5 or 10.
The minimum 5 cubic meter per hour.
5 cubic meter per hour.
This is in industrial sector.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. I hope you
You're welcome.
very good for sure, for you and for your colleague. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you too.
جزاك الله خيرا.
We didn't use any ceramic ultrafiltration products in our projects before, but we know the products, and if our customers request the ceramic membranes, we can design and we can submit proposal for this kind of applications.
Someone is asking, Mr. Şamlıoğlu, I'm working in purified water plant, also WFI. What's the new products for this field?
WFI.
Is water for injection.
Water for injection. Actually, the process solution is the same for the demineralization water and ultra pure water. There are two different process solutions for ultra pure water producing. One
Yes.
of them is, as you know, reverse osmosis units and then electrodeionization units. And the other one is ion exchange technology, such as cation exchanger and anion exchanger and mixed bed systems.
You have copper silver ion method.
Ion silver, sorry.
Silver copper ionization.
Yes, there are some specific resins for the separation of copper and, for example, boron and other ones. And we can work with the resin manufacturer for this kind of specific solutions. And we can submit offer for this kind of solutions also.
Okay, Mr. Emrah, someone is asking, are you starting to use AI to optimize the energy for wastewater treatment plant when the organic load changes?
Organic load changes. Am I right? I didn't hear very well.
Yes.
For the organic waste, we have a Armut solutions. Mr. Özgür indicated the details in the presentation. We have some standard solutions for that, and the Armut is the main topic, and the capacity of the Armut is 2 ton per day feeding capacity.
Okay. Mr. Abadal, wanna ask a question via mic? Mic is yours. Mr. Abadal, mic is yours.
Ms. Wallet, if I may step into Mr. Ibrahim Hassan's questions, because I think it was misunderstood. He was asking about the optimizing energy to organic load changes. Yes, Mr. Hassan, we are increasingly exploring and implementing AI-based solutions to optimize energy consumption in wastewater treatment plants, especially under varying organic load conditions. But since the developments in AI relatively new, it will take some time to implement those changes to our systems because all of the advanced technologies we use are observed with SCADA and PLC systems. So integration of these systems, I think it will take time, but eventually it will be beneficial in terms of efficiency and the security of the plants.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Özgür. Mr. Ala Abdulrazak, mic is yours.
Thank you very much for your presentation. Please, I have two questions. Please, are you hearing me?
Yes.
Okay, I have two questions. Is there any estimated cost for water treatment and desalination project on per square meter basis or per unit capacity relative to your company? This is my first question. The second question, inside my country, and especially for the interior rivers, the quality of water is changeable from brackish to river water from time to time. For example, in January, the quality of interior river can be considered as a brackish brackish properties, while in June and August it is changed for to be as seawater quality. So does any technology for solving this problem relative to the technology of your company? Thank you very much.
Thank you for your questions. For the first question, we cannot submit any cost and budget price by this platform. If you contact with us and if you share the details, we can inform you about the cost. For the second questions, normally, yes, we can see sometimes this kind of projects, and we know that the seawater is mixing with brackish water, and the typical characteristic is changing according to this mixing. But it depends according to values, because we can design, for example, if the conductivity is not very high, such as a seawater quality, for example, 40,000 ppm TDS or microsiemens conductivity, it is not possible. But if the mixing water quality is between 2000 ppm and 5000 ppm, it can be designed for the same system. But if there are big differences between TDS or conductivity values, we recommend that you should build different plants for the seawater and for the brackish water systems.
Okay. For my case, in January, the value of TDS about 4,000 ppm, while in August more than 20,000 ppm. So this is our problem with our reverse osmosis project in my country.
Yes, it's a very. It seems a very big differences between the TDS values. By this way, you can put different raw water tanks, and you can put different systems, seawater desalination RO and brackish water desalination RO systems.
Anyway, thank you very much, sir.
Is there any question? For the post questions, please share with us about the project details and water qualities and capacities. We can inform you according to these details. Also requested treated water quality.
Someone is asking about the energy recovery devices you use for RO desalination systems.
Yes, we are using the energy recovery devices in our desalination plants. For example, ERI systems and downforce iSafe systems. There are different solutions for the recovery, energy recovery. We are choosing according to quality of water and capacity of the project. And yes, we are using the energy recovery devices in our projects.
Okay, another one is asking regarding the brine recovery, is the company provide any process or unit to recover minerals from the brine reject?
For the brine reject, generally we check the scaling conditions for the design firstly, and generally the recovery of the brine reject RO systems approximately 50%.
Okay. Treatment of hardness 4,000 milligram per liter before RO.
Yes, it is not acceptable for reverse osmosis unit. The hardness removal system should be done before the reverse osmosis unit. It will be scaling for the RO unit, and scaling will not enough for this kind of values.
Okay. There's any other questions? How can we benefit from rejected water which is produced by RO maximum benefit, and what is the newest technologies in this aspect?
Actually, there are different systems for the high efficiency reverse osmosis, for the new generation reverse osmosis systems. There are some patents from another companies, some global companies, I can say. There are some solutions, but it depends according to, as I said, the raw water quality and conditions of the reject water.
Someone is asking about EDI case studies.
Yes, there are some. Generally, in the first presentation, there were many EDI references, case study, and they can see the details in our presentations.
Okay. How to deal with COD if COD exceeds the permissible limits?
COD limits, we can supply anaerobic or aerobic systems for, and as Mr. Özgür mentioned that we have package RMBR systems and ARPAC systems for that. But the inlet COD values is important, and our requested discharge water COD values are important for the design. And for the package systems, we have some limited capacities, but for the big plants, we can customize design, and we can design according to inlet and outlet values.
Okay. Regarding the brine recovery, does the company provide any process or unit to recover minerals from the brine reject?
I know this process, but we didn't build any plant before about this process.
Yeah, okay. And what are the techniques used to demin water system ion exchange?
For the demi water system, there are two different systems. One of them is ion exchange systems. And for the new technologies, generally reverse osmosis units for the first pass reverse osmosis unit and second pass reverse osmosis unit and electroionization units is the new generation systems. There are some advantages and disadvantages between this kind of technologies. And for example, for the reverse osmosis unit, we can supply the more quality than in water, such as 0.06 and 7. But for the ion exchange technologies, there are some chemical advantages. But if you consider the reverse osmosis, there are some efficiency according to the process, and there is a discharge water continuously from the reverse osmosis unit. There are some advantages and disadvantages between the technologies.
Okay, what type of membrane the company used in reverse osmosis ultrafiltration, and is it designed by the company?
Actually, we don't have any distributing about any membrane companies. We design. We can use all membranes such as Koray, DuPont, and Inge and Pentair. According to project details and project requirements, we are selecting the best solutions, best manufacturer for the project.
Okay.
We are using standard brackish water membranes and high rejection membranes and anti-fouling membranes, like that.
Okay. Mr. Ahmed Al Mustafa, wanna ask a question? The mic is yours. Mr. Ahmed, mic is yours. Okay, someone is asking, sometimes I face problems such as poor sedimentation efficiency, bad smells, and foam. What are the best solutions that I go to end this?
Actually, the treatment steps should be controlled firstly, and if there is a problem in the treatment plant, firstly, it should be removed, and there are some odor removal systems also for this kind of problems. Firstly, we should determine about the main problem. It can be in the water treatment plant.
Okay, Mr. Abdullah Mashruqi, mic is yours.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Hello. My question is it clear? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Is your aim to make the condition suitable for the design, or to make the design suitable for the environment? Is it clear?
Yes.
So which one? For instance, if I have a certain condition and I want to for instance to get what your program, what should I do? Should I give you my condition and you make your design, or you recommend me to make my condition suit your design?
Actually, we are requesting for your conditions firstly. For example, we have some forms, and my college can send these forms to you about the requirements for the design. When you share these details, normally we design all of the systems individual and by our engineers. Therefore, if you share the details, we can design clearly.
So you don't have a standard design. That's what you are saying.
We have some standard designs, but there are some assumptions for this kind of designs. But we can check the details, and for example, your capacity is 8 cubic meter per day, but according to your raw water quality, the main requirement is our packages above 100 cubic meter per day. It can be like that. Therefore, we are checking the water quality and we are checking the requested water quality. We design according to this one. We are checking firstly our standard solutions according to capacity and water requirement. And if it is not possible, we design specific treatment plant.
Regarding, you are speaking about sustainability. So what impact your design have on the cost and environmental? For instance, did you get encouraging or good results, or you are not sure, or it depend on the location or other things that different from place to another?
Actually, operational costs depends according to plant design. For example, if we consider the seawater treatment plant, the operational cost is more than other process because you will need more pressures for the treatment for high TDS values. And if we consider the ion exchange technologies, for example, electric consumption is lower than reverse osmosis unit, but the chemical consumptions are more than reverse osmosis unit. It depends according to process solutions and operational conditions also.
So the hybrid distillation plant, thermal and reverse osmosis, is it within your scope of work?
We don't build any thermal systems, thermal desalination. We built a membrane technologies, seawater desalination with membrane processes. Therefore, we can talk about the membrane solutions.
Oh, so it's okay. Thanks.
You're
Salam
welcome.
alaikum. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ms. Isra, mic is yours.
Thank you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. So thank you for this very useful presentation. Actually, being from Gaza, Palestine, we are now find ourselves very interested in such solutions. You know, the water treatment and wastewater treatment processes and systems are out of service because of the destruction we've experienced through these 3 years. So now we we are interested in the solutions, but we need to know how flexible your solutions could be, like to be applied in displacement and destruction conditions with the very limited areas available. What sizes, and there are some critical conditions that you need to work or to adapt your systems to. So we need to know what exactly, or how can we approach you to discuss, in specific some requirements from our side. I'd like to know, to explore how we can collaborate, because actually we are really interested in, it's a government issue now, like to shift from centralized systems to decentralized systems. So the systems are halted and the treatment systems are non-operational. So how can we adapt, for example, to some specific displacement sites, or like to to connect to you know, as a pumping station that like, for example, pumped into the sea. Some of the very limited ones, like which are still operational here in Gaza. So we need to explore these issues, and we are really interested about them, but we need to discuss them, like, you know, in details. So how can you help, or how can we reach, like, to discuss this? And thank you.
Actually, you can consider all package systems dimensions like a 20 foot container, standard ISO container, and 40 foot containers. But it depends accordingly, as I said before, the capacity is important for the dimensions and according to process design. And if you share details with us, we can evaluate. For example, if our standard solution is suitable for your requirement, we can submit this kind of solutions.
Perfect. So are there some, you know, some standard sizes that you provide?
Normally, we can supply 40 foot container,
yes,
ISO container dimensions.
Yes, but the capacity, the flow of water for wastewater treatment, I mean.
It depends according to the process again. For example, if we use MBR systems, the capacity is 160 cubic meter per day. If we are talking about standard domestic water treatment, we can put more than one container, and the capacity can be increased according to requirement.
Yes, yeah. Thank you. So the contact details that we can, like, should we contact this, you know, the Smart Sustainability for Water and Energy, or how can we?
You can contact with Mr. Özgür also. He is our sales manager.
So the contacts, how can we, I mean, could you please provide this information, contact
We wrote
information?
the email addresses in the chat box. You can see from it, and you can send an email.
Thank you. Perfect.
You're welcome.
So someone is asking if I want to request to design a plug and play for the application unit, RO mobile unit, and integrate it with AI and energy recovery and solar panel. Does the company have the capability to optimize these requirements?
For some projects, we worked with the solar panels, and the feasibility is important for it, because for the higher capacities, more area can be required for the solar panels, because the electrical consumption of reverse osmosis unit is very high. Therefore, we can optimize with the solar panels and our systems, but we should know about the capacities and the energy consumptions. We should calculate the energy consumptions.
Okay. In desalination of brackish water for the agriculture field, what method for brine management, and if the plant include renewable energy?
Normally, for the desalination plants, we are using energy recovery because we are recover the energy on the reject water line pressure. We are using the pressure with the energy recovery devices, and by this way, the high pressure pump motor rate is lower than requested main requirement values. For the brine management, for the desalination plants, the reject water can directly transfer to sea again. The important is the intake systems. For the brackish water, according to limits, discharge limits, and there are some tables for that according to countries. Generally in Turkey, we can directly reject to main river or canal systems.
Okay, someone is asking how we can remove the color from textile wastewater.
For the textile wastewater, there are some solutions for that. For example, ultrafiltration or MBR system can be used for these kind of solutions. And there are another solutions for the color removal. Again, it depends according to inlet color value.
Okay. What about membranes and reverse osmosis ultrafiltration? Last month we lost 9 membranes. What is the most efficient membranes we should use? Noted that we trade more than 5,000 cubic meter per day.
570 cubic meter per day. 570,
No,
am I right?
5,000.
5,000.
Yeah.
Is it a seawater or brackish water?
Mr. Amir, is it brackish water or seawater? Fresh water.
Fresh water. Actually, again, it depends according to requested outlet water quality. But normally for the fresh water, they can use standard brackish water membranes. There are some good membranes for the of the Toray and DuPont, and there are also high rejection membranes. There are some criteria for the membrane selections. What is the raw water quality and what is the requested treated water quality? We are choosing the membranes according to these main topics.
It's water from wells and city water.
Wells waters. Yes, for the wells waters, they can use the brackish water reverse osmosis membranes generally.
Okay. Any other questions? What is the difference between MBR and MBBR?
It's a different systems because MBBR is a aerobic systems. There are some it is not included in the membranes because MBR means membrane bioreactor. Therefore, for the MBR systems, membranes are using in the process. There are some MBR membranes in the world. There are some manufacturers. This kind of membranes is used in the MBR process. For the MBBR, there is not any membrane system in the process.
Okay. Any other questions? Okay, so thanks a lot, Mr. Emrah, for this wonderful QA session.
Thank you for too.
Okay, we'd like to sincerely thank all of you for your attendance and engagement today. A special thanks to our speakers from ARTAŞ, Mr. Emrah and Mr. Özgür, for their valuable and insightful presentations. Today's session demonstrated how packaged units are not just an alternative, but a strategic solution for fast implementation, optimized performance, and sustainable water management. We hope this webinar has provided you with practical insights that you can apply in your projects. Thank you once again, and we look forward to welcoming you in our upcoming webinars. Have a great evening. نشكر حضراتكم جميعا على حضوركم وتفاعلكم في ويبينار النهارده، وشكر خاص للمتحدثين من شركة أرتش على العروض المتميزة والمحتوى القيم. النهارده شفنا ازاي الوحدات المدمجة مش مجرد بديل، لكن بقت حل استراتيجي بيوفر سرعة في التنفيذ وكفاءة في التشغيل واستدامة أعلى. نتمنى إن الجلسة تكون أضافت لحضراتكم قيمة علمية تقدروا تستفيدوا منها. شكرا لحضوركم ونتطلع لرؤيتكم في الويبينارات القادمة.